If you guys are watching this video, just please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Just something that you like about the car, anything. It really helps us out a lot. We're trying to grow this channel. As you guys see, we bring a lot to the table here. Make sure to drop in the comments what color you guys would like to see this hatch. Yo, J-Rock, we should have just stripped DDE's Integra instead.
I mean, it's not too late.
Oh, you just ready to go, huh? You want to go?
I just turn the camera off. I just like ruining nice things. Can I just say something?
What's up, bro?
I'm not gonna say supercharged because we know them shits are slow and they don't come out.
J-Rock. Poor car. Here it goes. Here we go. Off into the chop shop. Yo, J-Rock, I ain't gonna lie to you. The car being inside the shop looks like it like gained $3,000.
It's like disrespectful to the shop almost, honestly.
It like gained.
You know what we do? You know where we keep cars like this?
Where? I don't even want to. They haven't seen this car in a long time.
This is what we do to cars like that.
This poor car. Yes, there's plans for this. You guys may not see it yet, but we still have it.
Yeah.
There's
poor. Big plans for this. Honestly, out of everything we're doing, this car excites me. It's crazy, right?
Out of how this looks, right?
Yeah.
This looks like $1 million sitting in your bay. Like $1 million. Like I said, if I took pictures right now and put it on Facebook Market, I could probably sell it for like $6 grand. You think?
Probably. Yeah. The way the market is.
Like, I could advertise this thing so good right here.
Push that it's all original. Like all 100% original. That'd be the selling point.
No, we're not selling it. You trying to get your Weezy way out of here, huh?
Close enough for you.
Yeah. Look how clean the floors are right now.
And look how clean this car is. And this shit is fucking ashy, bro.
It's ashy, but the front end is mint. You can't lie. You can't lie. The front end lines up good. It's like clean.
No lip.
We got all that stuff. You can get the lip, get all the moldings, windshield. We're gonna get all that stuff. It's too good. It's great. And it's got AC.
I just want to be so disrespectful to this car. Like just torch everything out.
Torch? That's how you feeling?
That's how I feel with this car. And it's fast. This motor will be out in like 2 seconds.
It's a great starting point. What color? All right, what color would you do?
We gotta do something different. I'm tired of everything else. I'm tired of, you know, OEM, original. I want to do something that pops.
If you were to choose, what would you choose? I know you always told me white, but we can't pick white.
No, we already got white. Maybe orange.
Orange?
Like a nice, not too bright and not too dark.
I'll tell you what though, don't leave it up to me because I pick blue.
Yeah, we all know that.
Well, I honestly I like an aftermarket color. Like I think like the green hatchback looks great in that color, all painted.
We haven't built anything really like outside of the OEM realm. Like I think it's time for something nice.
I agree. I think we should do something, obviously K series, something. You guys let us know what you guys think. Maybe something turbo. We're not doing all-wheel drive build on here because my brother's doing all-wheel drive build. Maybe something front-wheel drive, either turbo. We already have a nitrous car, so I'm gonna go either turbo or supercharged, one of the two. Turbo would be dope.
Turbo would be nice, power-wise.
Clean, like a clean, like something easy to look at. Something looks really, really clean. Painted compressor housing, like really, really, really clean build, I think.
Not too race car-y.
No,
either, like,
full street car.
Maybe like five and some change, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
600 maybe, somewhere around there.
Like 5, maybe 600 on E85, but we don't know yet. We want to see what you guys are gonna say. Let us know color-wise, and then whether supercharged or turbo. But I think with 500 wheel, it has to be turbo. Anything in like the 450 range, I think supercharged. But overall, it's clean, solid build. The body obviously needs some love, but it's not too bad. Like it could definitely.
Can I just say something?
What's up, bro?
I'm not gonna say supercharged because we know them shits are slow and they don't come out.
Wow.
Right?
Wow, the disrespect today. We are gonna get into this. It's gonna be a shit show today.
This is it, first part.
Yeah, how the windows come out before the engine come out. Got my favorite guys in house today.
Sigi brothers.
Pulling out the windows and pull out 2/4 glass and the windshield today, and then continue stripping the rest of the car. But you're gonna get all new glass, all new trim, all new moldings. Everything's coming out.
You ready to catch it?
Stay over here. So you gotta cut right here.
Speaks up.
Right? This is training day. A little bit more down.
No, you're good.
Huh? No, you can see. See?
Training day, baby.
Yeah, this thing is all original, huh?
Yeah, it is. Looks like it's never been done before. Let's cut out the windshield, see what that looks like.
That windshield is definitely gonna break.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure you get it on camera.
No, it might not.
Somebody's done something to this shit before. Yeah. It's been done.
You know what
It's not
everyone-
some real screwy.
You know what every windshield guy says? Their excuse, it's too tight to the body up here.
You're saying I can't save it? Because I'll try everything in my car.
We don't want to be here for 5 hours. We're trying to strip this car.
You want new stuff.
Yeah, we're getting all brand new
Don't get this
stuff.
shit out in 5 minutes, I'm bringing out the hammer.
Oh, I want to see that. Take 10 minutes.
Start counting. Be out in like 3 minutes.
Damn, we broke that motherfucker.
Yeah,
It's a little crack. It's alright.
There's nothing wrong with a little crack. That's what I heard in the hood.
Huge shout out to my guy, Sigi Brothers.
You.
Always taking care of us. My guy.
Got the van. You know what I'm saying? We're ready. Come to your house.
Windows are out of the hatchback. We're gonna get finished stripping the car right now. Still day one of tearing the EG apart. Just insane. Motors out, full exhaust, all the plastics. Yo, you's a fucking savage. Savage.
I love my job.
Dude, do you know?
Do you know if I'm serious or not?
You definitely ain't serious. This whole car is completely stripped. Anybody need any SI parts, hit up J-Rock.
Yeah, fire sale. I'll even sell the show.
Blowout sale. Yo, not bad. Not bad for one day. I mean, it's a Honda. You got a size 10 and a size 17 and a 12.
Some cutters.
And some cutters and some zip ties. So the plan to get this thing on, we're gonna try to build a dolly for the car to sit on. That way we can pull the full suspension, gas tank, full interior, like completely stripped. I gotta go get some totes so I can put the stuff that we're keeping in totes. That way everything's organized between, just so many builds going on at one time. Don't wanna mix and match parts. But for the time being, I'm gonna put everything in totes until this car comes back, until we figure out, I guess, what color we're gonna do. Yo, J-Rock, we should have just stripped DDE's Integra instead.
It's not too late.
Oh, you just ready to go, huh? You wanna go?
I just turn the camera off. I just like ruining nice things.
I mean, this wasn't that nice.
That's why I feel like we should have left this car alone. It was already ruined.
I feel like this ruined your tools more than anything. It's crazy. Remember, guys, this is still day one, and the day's not over. The day's not over yet.
Tomorrow's interior.
Yo, you're gonna get people in the DMs talking about, yo, can you strip my car like that in one day?
They're gonna be in the DMs feeling bad for me. That's what it is. I'm surprised they're not in your DMs.
They are. You know what they're telling me? They're telling me that I need to pay you more.
Crazy.
This car is this is about to be wild. Remember I told you guys about the floor, right? It's just shit everywhere. So you got the WD-40 out.
Yeah, they need it for this one.
A few moments later.
You are moving way too fast.
If I finish today, can I have the rest of the week off?
Yeah, for sure. You finish full strip, we out. We out for the rest of the week. This is insane. It's the first time I've seen this happen here in the shop. J-Rock dropped spindles, suspension, subframe, rack, all in one piece. Insane. So we're gonna build a dolly underneath this car, end of the week, get this thing rolling. Like, we're gonna have no suspension at all. He just took apart the gas tank. I think this thing gonna be ready for paint by the end of the week.
It might be interior.
Yeah, interior sucks. Interior got a lot of stuff to do.
Little clips, headliner.
But all the drivetrain stuff and suspension, everything's out. Just gonna take off the back trailing arms. It's not a bad car, to be honest. Underneath just got a lot of dirt. Like, it just needs a, put this light on. guys can see it's got a bunch of dirt, which just needs to be power washed, but it's a pretty solid car. Just dirty. Just a lot of dirt and a lot of oil. Good thing that valve cover was leaking. Because if it wasn't for the valve cover, kind of saved underneath the car.
Usually I don't wear gloves when I strip cars, but I just put freshies on. You should have seen the other ones. They were blown out.
Yo, honestly, it's not bad though. So we're gonna this car is gonna be basically like, as if we're gonna put the car, kind of like if we're gonna put the car on a rotisserie. I want to paint underneath the fenders, underneath the doors, because if we change the full color on the car, I want everything to be one color. I hate when you open stuff up like on a car that's got painted and you can see the factory color. Unless it's like a build you don't really care about, but an all-out show car build or something like, if you're going all on a car, just paint everything. Take off the bumpers, paint behind the bumper.
If you're gonna do it right, period, just do it right. Like, there's no half-assing.
If you're gonna do it right the first time, right?
Yeah.
Don't do it and then do it again and do it again and do it again after. Yeah. Especially with paint. One thing I learned over the years, just do all your moldings, take all the windows out. Yeah, before I got cars painted when I was young, and I painted like over the moldings, like it looked like shit. Now, like, what's a 2/4 panel molding gonna cost? $150, and then put the windows back in. It's not too crazy. Just take the extra time, take all the moldings, clips out, save them. If you can't save them, get new ones. But that's my advice to you guys.
And don't be slapping Bondo here with some cardboard and tape to hold that up. I see a lot of that. Stop it.
And you can just tell them on camera, just don't work on cars, period.
If you can't do it, just leave it up to professionals. I said what I said.
End of day one here today. Huge shout out to J-Rock. He did a ton of work today. Honestly, I can't say I'm surprised, but I am surprised. This car is just in complete pieces on day one, which is insane. I'm actually really glad I got the windows out today. So a lot of progress here done. Gas tank's out. Gas tank's seen a lot better days. Brake lines, gas lines, suspensions completely all apart. Just look at the bottom of the car. I'll give you guys a quick walkthrough underneath here. Everything is completely stripped. Full suspension, subframe, rack, everything's on the floor. Engine bay is almost there. A few more things to take out. But for the most part, most of the things are finished here. In the next video, I just wanted to get like a build, the first video out. That way I'll make the playlist for this car. In the next video, you guys should see probably, I don't know, I'll get most of the interior or maybe some of it out. You might see it stripped in the next video, I don't know. But this car is gonna go off to paint as soon as it's done. We're gonna build a dolly underneath of it, and then it should be ready to go. We're gonna completely strip this car, like complete strip, and then send it off to paint and bodywork. And then we'll go from there. Make sure to drop in the comments what color you guys would like to see this hatch. I'd paint everything blue, but I'm gonna leave it up to you guys, leave it up to J-Rock, my brother. We'll all come to a decision, and I cannot wait to see this car come together. So I'll see you guys in the next video.